Hello and welcome to DMK Suzuki. My name's Simon. I'm at their Ashton-under-Lyne branch today filming. This vehicle's just become available. 2023 Swift SZL, and it's finished in Speedy blue. One owner car, full service history, and it's only done about 5,100 some miles. I mean, that's like 2,000 miles a year or something like that. It's phenomenal condition. It should be. It's done no work. Self-charging mild hybrid, all the benefits of reduced CO2, improved MPG, and absolutely nothing for you to need to do to obtain that. But yeah, fantastic thing. These have colour reversing cameras sort of nestled away just underneath the number plate under there. Make life a lot easier. Gorgeous diamond cut alloy wheels on the vehicle. Very, very smart indeed. Very, very clean car. We sold it and we've serviced and maintained it throughout its life, but they're absolute beauties of these things. I typically used to get about 55, 56 to the gallon. There's a little sensor there, folks. That little thing there is sending a, I believe it's infrared beam down the road, and it's just keeping monitoring things in front of you, making sure you're not maybe getting a little bit close to people, or they perhaps brake very heavily on a motorway or something like that if they've missed a junction or not concentrating. Super seats are these, fantastic. They will give you hours of comfort. I've spent 4 or 5 hours a day in my Swift when I was running this model, and I never had a niggle. Rear seats obviously don't look like, in fact the passenger seat doesn't look like it's ever been sat in. If I just try and keep this out of the sun, it'd be a challenge, but I'll take the sun over the rain. So we could put a little SD card in there, guys, if you wanted, for navigation, parts or eBay. They're relatively inexpensive. I wouldn't bother. I'd run smartphone. I'd put your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto through it and get your maps that way. You can then occupy that sort of screen there. DAB radio, colour reversing camera, obviously we've mentioned. But yeah, definitely the way to go with navigation these days. In fact, manufacturers have not even put in navigation in brand new models. Plenty of connectivity beneath the heater controls there. Nice touches, things like adaptive cruise control, which is helped by that little sensor unit at the front. Speed limiter, really practical thing just to put on if you're in a 20 area, and automatic headlights are always a great idea. 5,123 miles on it. So OL6 the vehicle's located at. It will have warranty. I would imagine it'll have at least a year from the manufacturer left remaining, because initially it's a 3-year warranty, but better still, come after a year of ownership, bring it down to us, have it serviced, and then we give you another year of warranty and roadside assistance, and then again and again and again, and you could continue like it until the car is 7 years old. So all the way, right the way through, I would say till about March 2030 under warranty, which is really fantastic from the manufacturer. Obviously formerly Colin Appleyards and now DMK, part of a larger family. We will make sure that, you know, buying cars is very, very simple, and to do that I'm going to put a little link in the descriptions box which you then can click onto. It'll take you straight through to this very vehicle, and if you wanted to, then you could drop down filters, select different colours, prices, mileage, etc. If you do want to move it to between other branches, there is the option of a refundable deposit. We can take it then to our Keighley, Bradford or Huddersfield site if we needed to, and then you can obviously have a test drive there at your convenience, and there is a test drive request function on there as well. Have a super day. Enjoy this sunshine, guys. It's wonderful to be outside. Take care whatever you're doing. Have a super day and all of the best.